Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a gift tag using only Cricut design space. So first I'm going to go into shapes and pick a shape that I want to use. So since tomorrow is Christmas, I'm going to use the star. And then I'm also going to add in a circle because I want a place where I can put my string through. So I'm going to resize this so that it's a little bit smaller and lay it over the star. And then to make sure that the circle is in the middle, I'm going to select both and align and center horizontally. Then from here, since I want that to be cut out, I'm going to select both and click slice. So then when I move this, you can see that there's a hole right here, which is where the string can go through, and then we can delete these two. When I print this, I'm going to print on white cardstock, so I'm going to change this to white. And now I'm going to go into images and pick an image that I want. So I'm going to search Christmas because Christmas is tomorrow, in case anyone is doing this last minute. And under ownership, I'm going to click on free. So now you can pick one of these free images or words. And I like this wreath, so I'm going to insert this image. And I want to resize it so that it can fit into my star. Then I can select align center horizontally again. Since I don't want the wreath to be cut out, I'm going to flatten it. And then now you can see that it's flat, so it will print the wreath and then cut out the shape of the star and the circle. If you want to add in some text, you can click on text on the left toolbar. And for the font, I would go into system, and you can download free fonts at defont.com. So one of my favorites is Cream Candy. I'll leave a link for it in the description, and you can write to. The only downside is they don't have any symbols, so I can't use colons. And since I want the spacing to be a little less, I'm gonna select letter space and change this to 0, just so it looks, I'll make it even smaller. So you can also click on the down arrow to bring the letters in closer together. Okay, so that looks good. You'll want to resize this so that it's a little bit smaller. And then you'll want to select everything again and flatten again. So then that way the 2 is not cut out. So another example, in case you're seeing this later on and it's not Christmas anymore, you could do something like a heart. And again, you'll want to have that little circle for the string. So I'm just gonna resize this. And I think I would want it here. So again, we're going to select both and slice, and that'll cut out my little hole. And I'm going to change this color to white. And then let's go back into images, and I'll type in love. So I think this one's cute, and I have free selected already, so I don't have to change that. And then you'll click on insert images. And we're just going to resize this to fit. Select both, and I'm going to align center horizontally again, so that's right in the middle. And then we're going to flatten. And there you go. Okay, so if you want, you can adjust the size here. I would keep it locked just to keep the dimensions the same. If you have it unlocked, so let me just show you what'll happen. Hold on, let me add a square in the back just so you can kind of see what's happening. Because right now the background's a square and this is a square as well, so. Or, since right now the background is white and my images are also white. Okay, so if we have this unlocked and we make this 5, it'll make my shape kind of lopsided and weird. So you want to make sure that when you're changing the size, you keep it locked So if I do change this to 5 inches wide, it'll change the height as well so that it's still proportional. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so once you're done laying out whatever you want on your mat, you're going to click on Make It, and it'll show you this. So it won't show the shape that you're cutting out, it'll only show what is being printed. So next you're going to click Continue, and you can use either the Cricut dial, so you can set the material to cardstock. That's what I would print this on. Or you can also set the base material to custom, and the one I would use is medium cardstock. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you come up with some ideas on how to make gift tags, and I'll see you next time. Bye!